Welcome to the future of our daily vision. Smart glasses are poised to fundamentally change the world by seamlessly merging digital information with our physical environment. They have successfully evolved from clunky, early prototypes into stylish devices designed for daily wear. Today, we'll explore the key innovations making this possible. First, let's look at autofocus technology. The Finnish company Eyewear is currently developing groundbreaking eyewear equipped with eye-tracking sensors and liquid crystals. This allows the lenses to adjust a user's prescription in real time while still functioning and looking like normal glasses. But it isn't just about vision correction, it's about information. Imagine seeing your navigation directions right on the pavement ahead. With built-in GPS and augmented reality, smart glasses can overlay turn-by-turn directions onto the real world. Language barriers are also becoming a thing of the past with real-time translation features. The glasses listen to foreign speech and project translated subtitles directly into your field of view. To achieve this, engineers have had to miniaturize massive amounts of technology. Waveguide displays use thin pieces of glass to reflect images from a tiny projector into the eye. One of the biggest hurdles has been power management. How do you run a computer on a glasses frame all day? Modern processors are now more energy efficient than ever, allowing for smaller batteries that still last several hours. Seamless connectivity to our smartphones via high-speed 5G is the final piece of the puzzle. By offloading heavy processing to our phones, the glasses themselves can remain lightweight and comfortable. Health monitoring is another burgeoning field for smart eyewear. Sensors can track your eye health and posture. These devices can detect fatigue or even notify you if your posture is causing neck strain. Naturally, privacy is a major concern. Manufacturers are integrating visible LEDs to signal when a camera is active. Designers are working to ensure these devices respect social norms and protect both users and bystanders. In the professional world, smart glasses are revolutionizing remote assistance and hands-on training. Expert engineers can see what a field technician sees and provide real-time guidance from across the globe. For entertainment, smart glasses offer a personal cinema experience that you can take anywhere. You can watch movies on a virtual 100-inch screen while sitting in a cramped airplane seat. Perhaps the most impactful use case is helping those with visual impairments navigate the world more safely. AI-powered object recognition can describe the environment and read text aloud in real time. The future of smart glasses is stylish, functional, and deeply integrated into our everyday lives. Soon, we won't be able to tell the difference between a high-tech smart device and a standard pair of frames. We are standing on the edge of a new era of human vision, where the digital and physical worlds truly become one. The visionary horizon is here. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of sight. Welcome to the next frontier of human-computer interaction. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of AI-powered AR. Augmented reality is no longer just a concept, it's becoming a seamless part of our daily digital existence. Next, we have AI-powered AR and displays, where hardware and software converge like never before. Meta, in collaboration with Ray-Ban, is pushing the boundaries of this tech with new $799 display glasses. This partnership represents a major leap in wearable technology, balancing style with high-end computational power. What makes these truly futuristic is that they are controlled by neural wristbands, giving users an entirely new way to interact with AI. By reading motor nerve signals, these wristbands allow for precise, non-invasive control of digital interfaces. It's an intuitive system where your intent translates directly into digital action, making traditional controllers obsolete. Beyond visual displays, AI and audio integration is already here, changing how we hear and process information. With devices like the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2, users can converse directly with AI tools like ChatGPT. This smoothly blends digital assistants into daily conversations, providing instant answers without needing a screen. Imagine real-time translation and contextual reminders delivered directly to your ears as you navigate the world. The glasses use cameras and microphones to understand your environment and provide relevant AI support. This connectivity extends to the smart home, allowing you to control your environment through simple gestures and voice. Of course, with such advanced data collection, Meta is focusing heavily on user privacy and data security. The hardware includes ultra-wide cameras and high-fidelity speakers integrated directly into the temples. Efficient power management ensures that these devices can keep up with the demands of a modern lifestyle. Live streaming directly to social media from your perspective is now easier than ever, fostering new forms of connection. This is just the beginning. The roadmap for neural interfaces and AR displays is ambitious and fast-moving. Beyond consumers, enterprise applications in medicine, engineering, and education are set to be transformed. These technologies also offer incredible potential for accessibility, helping those with visual or motor impairments. As the developer ecosystem grows, we can expect a flood of innovative apps designed specifically for this hardware. The integration of AI into our physical world is accelerating. Are you ready for a world where technology is invisible? Thanks for watching this look into the future of AR and AI. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one. 2026 has been a watershed year for wearable technology. Smart glasses have finally crossed the chasm from experimental gadgets to essential daily tools. Gone are the bulky headsets of the past. Today's frames are stylish, lightweight, and powered by advanced AI. At CES 2026, the focus shifted from wow factor to market readiness. New players like Amazfit and MemoMind entered the space, leveraging a matured supply chain to bring AR to the masses. For gamers, the ROG X Real R1 changed the game with a 240Hz refresh rate and a massive 171-inch virtual screen. Optical breakthroughs from Loomis debuted geometric waveguides with a 70-degree field of view, making AR overlays more immersive than ever. Interaction is changing too. Meta's new handwriting mode lets you compose messages just by moving your finger in the air. But smart glasses are also reshaping the battlefield. The military is deploying the Integrated Visual Augmentation System, or eyewear. This system utilizes augmented reality to provide soldiers with crucial tactical advantages, real-time mapping, and heightened situational awareness, fundamentally changing how military operations are conducted. Major strategic shifts are happening, with Anduril Industries taking the lead on hardware production to accelerate tactical updates. eyewear is now being tested to control soldier-borne micro-drones directly through the headset's interface. In the industrial sector, AR is driving a 32% reduction in maintenance error rates. Technicians now receive hands-free work orders and real-time repair overlays, drastically improving first-time fix rates. Companies like Boeing are saving millions by using AR-guided assembly to reduce training time by up to 60%. Healthcare is seeing a similar revolution. Devices like eSight Go are restoring independence for those with central vision loss. Surgeons are now using AR to view patient scans and vitals directly in their line of sight, keeping their focus where it matters most. Consumer frames are even integrating sensors for posture correction and heart rate tracking. The battle for your face is being fought by tech giants. Meta is leading with its Ray-Ban smart glasses, targeting 30 million units annually. Apple is pivoting to heads-up accessories for the iPhone, relying on advanced AI and Siri to provide a seamless visual experience. Even luxury brands are joining in, with Google partnering with Gucci to create high-fashion AI frames. So, when will everyone be wearing them? According to trends highlighted at CES 2026, smart glasses are rapidly moving toward mass adoption. Major investments are finally closing the gap between functional technology and stylish wearable designs. The future isn't just coming, it's right in front of our eyes. Welcome to the era of the smart glass. The dream of smart glasses has been around for decades, but the path to reality hasn't been easy. Early attempts were often defined more by their limitations than their potential, leaving users wanting more. These first steps were plagued by three major issues: poor ergonomics, limited battery life, and significant privacy concerns. Nobody wants to wear a heavy, hot computer on their face all day. Comfort is non-negotiable for everyday wear. And then there's the power problem. Shrinking batteries while maintaining performance is an engineering nightmare. Privacy was the third pillar of failure. Early devices felt intrusive, making social acceptance nearly impossible. But the industry has been listening. We're now entering a new era where these failures are being turned into lessons. Current designs are focused entirely on solving these issues to deliver clear, everyday value to the average user. Modern materials and miniaturized electronics have finally brought us frames that look and feel like standard glasses. Power efficiency has also seen a massive leap, with some devices now capable of lasting through a full day of use. The value proposition is shifting from novelty to necessity, from hands-free navigation to real-time language translation. Imagine having the digital world seamlessly integrated into your field of view without the distraction of a phone screen. However, as adoption increases, the technology still faces significant legal and privacy hurdles that can't be ignored. Navigating a complex patchwork of laws regarding recording consent is one of the biggest challenges for manufacturers. Every country, and even different states, may have different rules about what can be recorded in public and private spaces. The industry is responding with visible recording indicators and more transparent data handling policies, ensuring that the massive amount of visual data collected is processed locally and securely is a top priority. The industry is actively working to overcome the failures of early attempts that were often plagued by poor design. By focusing on ergonomics and aesthetics, they are making smart glasses a product people actually want to wear. Despite these ongoing challenges, the destination for this technology is becoming incredibly clear. These incredible innovations mean that in the coming years, smart glasses will likely become our primary interface. They will be how we interact with both digital content and the real world simultaneously in a natural, fluid way. The journey has just begun, and the world we see through these lenses is about to get much more interesting. The future is in sight. Are you ready to see it?